Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I'm going to show you what I got in this month's March 2018 Allure Beauty Box. Alright, so if you're unfamiliar with Allure, the beauty box, it's $15 a month and you get some of their most well-known items, editor picks, things that they love, full size and deluxe size samples. This month they're giving you items that were awarded the Allure Best in Beauty, so that's kind of exciting because you know that they're going to be really good products. One of the great things is that inside it tells you about the products and why the editors or the people or why the people at Allure think they're so good. So that's kind of fun. So the first thing that I'm seeing I'm excited about is the Oribe Freestyle Working Hairspray. Now, I love a lot of their products, but I've actually never tried their hairspray, so I'm excited to try this. So, like, I'm not gonna go through, but it tells you like the tips that the editor, how she uses it. So, and little tips and tricks. But it's a nice hairspray. Oribe always smells so good, so I'm excited. Next up is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in C211. Let's see what that looks like. It's actually a really pretty nude color. Nice little size, so that'll be fun to try out. I'm just going to go really quickly through what you can get. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD makeup. This is the color Y335. You had a choice. Like, typically you don't have a choice, but they did send out an email that you could choose one of the 3 color options that they were offering. I think this might have been the middle, and there was a much darker shade, but for me, it probably won't work, but I can maybe make it work extra bronze. But I do really like this foundation. I've gone through a few bottles of it. It's a really good one. Okay, next up is the Laneige. I think that's how you say it. I really like their sleeping lip mask, so good. But this is their water sleeping mask for all skin types. It's a cute little size. But I'm excited to try this because they have really good products. Especially their lip stuff is so good, you guys. It's the only thing that really works on my lips, and it's perfect for at night. Next up is a La Roche-Posay, I'm gonna butcher this, Anthelio 60 Ultra Light Sunscreen Fluid. It won't look chalky or greasy. It's just a little sample size, so that's really cute and nice to have. Next up is the Ico I Do Liquid Eyeliner. It says it's good for not skipping when you're doing a wing liner. So yeah, nice to try that out. And last but not least, you got either the Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Pads or the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream, and that's the one that I got. This looks like it's a full size. This helps dehydrated dry skin with a water boost, and that is nice. Yeah, so this is a face cream. So again, that's a good thing. That's a good thing to have on hand. So that is what I received in this month's Allure Beauty Box. I think I've only gotten 3 or so. So my verdict is still out on whether I think it's worth $15. But you do get some really good prizes, stuff, and some good full-size stuff. I've definitely gotten some really great things. But yeah, if you're interested in subscribing to the Allure Beauty Box, I'll leave all the information down below. Don't forget to hit that link. If you're not yet, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.